and gentlemen, the protagonist of this film. I mean, this is looking incredible already. Harsh, I've already got so much information from everybody else on the film. But हमें बताया गया था that you have referred to this film as an educational experience for yourself. Tell us about it. Why did you pick it? AK just told us that you really pushed him to be in the film. It's a film that looks different. It looks clutter-breaking. It's set in a very new age sort of, setting. What has pulled you into it?
Just really good writing, and it's hard to find material that is a bit subversive and a bit different from what we're used to watching. So for me, the template has always been to try and do things that are new in a way, and whether that's good or bad is not my place to decide. But the idea is to give the audience an opportunity to experience something new every time I try and do something, and as long as I can keep doing that, that's enough.
Every time you come together on screen with your father, like I loved you guys in AK versus AK as well, you do something different, okay?
Right.
So in this one, is there something that is really you picking up another elemental, behavioral thing that you do together in this?
I mean, that was quite different, and kind of a comedy, and had a lot of dark
completely
humor, and
different
it was
space.
kind of meta, and this is, I think, cinematic and very visual, and an experience, a cinematic experience. So that's the idea, is to kind of break away from the conventions of what people expect a father and a son to do together.
Amazing.
And just kind of try and really believe in the characters, and be honest to the characters, and then because it's not about me, or it's not about him.
Right,
It's about the
right.
film, and it's a director's medium, So the idea was to, for me, when I started interacting with Raj in 2018, was to keep asking myself always through every step of the journey is why? Why? Why are you doing this? Why do you want to do this? We can all do so many other things. But I think for me, it was to make sure that Raj's vision is not compromised. And that was the main target, because I could see when I read it and interacted with him right away, is that if we got to a point where we were able to be honest to what was on the page, we would have something very,
Right.
very special.
And Raj, how lucky for you to have a cast that basically is enabling your vision and, saying whatever the director wants is what we want. So
No,
they all
I'm-
committed to that vision.
Absolutely, I'm immensely. Oh,
Hanji?
yeah, I'm immensely.
Agi, we are going to have lots of opportunities. Don't worry. Relax and listen to this. Come along the ride with us. Yeah.
No, I'm immensely grateful for this opportunity because, first of all, Harsh, he believed in the story, and it was something that nobody has done before. And for Harsh to believe in it and understand it, and then take it to Anil sir, and Anil sir believing in it and understanding that what we were trying to do, and then everybody coming together, and finally Netflix understanding the whole vision.
Absolutely.
And giving us the ample opportunity to just do what we wanted to do. And they have been great. And
I think we'll have the audience in a better space once they see what we're talking about. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you want to see the trailer now? Yes. Great. I think all of our friends are now here, and we can't wait any longer. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the trailer of Thar. Was truly amazing, guys. And my favorite line is, ये picture शायद गब्बर के बारे में नहीं है. So I'm waiting to find out कि गब्बर के बारे में नहीं है, तो jailer के बारे में, heroine के बारे में. It really looks fantastic. Raj, in this, the way you've shot it, the desert itself is a character in your film. It's doing amazing things to your story. So how did you build, the desert up as a character in the film?
so you're absolutely right. The desert is actually a character, the desert. So because the tonality of the film is such, you've seen in the
Yeah.
trailer, and a lot of credit has to be given to the cinematographer and also to our production designer. Shreya Devdubey is the cinematographer, and Wasik Khan is the production. And we got together and we built this world slowly by slowly. And we went to and we hunted locations where nobody has been there before. and I know Rajasthan like the back of my hand.
And I know Rajasthan like the back of my hand in films,
In
because
films,
you've
yes.
seen all those locations, you can
Yes.
almost identify them.
Yes, we've seen
But
palaces.
this looks
we've seen,
amazingly
We've seen
different.
sand dunes. We've seen, but this is nothing of that sort. This was Rajasthan that nobody has seen. And if you see westerns, you see that they have a certain tonality and a certain vibe to it. And we tried to organically fit it, fit this story into that world.
Yeah, you can almost feel the dry air and the chapped lips and the cracked, it looks beautiful. Apparently, so Anurag Kashyap has co-written the dialogues with you.
Yes, this line is his, the whole Sholay lines. He's written the dialogues, yes.
Acha, lovely. So that is amazing. My next question is to you, Satish ji. ऐसी क्या आपको स्क्रिप्ट में, स्पेसिफिकली स्क्रिप्ट में बात लगी जिससे आपको लगा कि ये रोल तो मुझे करना ही है, आई एम नॉट गोना लेट इट गो?
दो चीज़ें थी। एक तो मेरे को अनिल ने ना बहुत पहले एक बार हर्ष ने ही बनाया था इसका एक जिसे बोलते हैं ना को शूट करके कुछ थोड़ा सा पोर्शन, और वो हमने अनिल के घर के स्क्रीन पे देखा था। उसी वक्त लगा था कि कुछ अलग प्लान हो रहा है, कुछ अलग एक ऐसी चीज़ हो रही है जो आज हमें दिखाई दिया यहाँ पर। इसका बीज एक्चुअली तभी डल चुका था असल में, और तब दिखाई दिया तो वो खास बात, एक खास पिक्चर जो अलग तरह की है, जिसका जरा परिवेश है जो बहुत अलग है, जिसकी कहानी कुछ दबी दबी कहानी है, ऐसी ऊपर उठती हुई कहानी नहीं है, जिसमें आप जो इंट्रीग क्वालिटी जो हम बोलते हैं ना कि इंट्रीगनेस है कहानी के अंदर। स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने के लिए दी मुझे, और पहला ड्राफ्ट मतलब वो कोई पुराना ड्राफ्ट भी दिया था, वो ड्राफ्ट पे और बहुत काम हुआ बाद में, लेकिन बेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट के जो क्वालिटी थी वो ये थी कि इसका जो डिज़ाइन स्ट्रक्चर और इसके अंदर कही हुई बात जो है ना वो दबी दबी थी, कोई बहुत सरफेस लेवल पे कुछ भी नहीं था। इट वॉज मच मोर ऑन द इंटरनल साइड, लाइक हम वेस्टर्न देखते हैं ना, हमको दिखाई देता है क्लिंट ईस्टवुड अगर सिगरेट पी रहा होता था तो उसको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होती थी, उसके फेस, उसके क्लोजअप, उसके स्टैंडिंग पोस्चर के अंदर आपको पूरी कहानी पता चल जाती थी, और जिस वो बैकग्राउंड में खड़ा हुआ होता था वो बैकग्राउंड भी कुछ कह रहा होता था, वो लोकेशन भी कुछ कह रही होती थी। तो वो पढ़ते पढ़ते ऐसा लगा कि वाकई में हिंदुस्तान के अंदर जो है ना एक पहली रियल प्योर वेस्टर्न बनने जा रही है, वो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के लगा, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। और दूसरा ये कि अनिल कपूर प्रोडक्शन, नेटफ्लिक्स, हर्ष डायरेक्टर, राज जो जिसका विजन मतलब जब इसने बताया था, सुनाया, वो ना वो सब चीज़ मिलके जो है बहुत
अमेजिंग पैकेज,
अमेजिंग।
और आपकी हर फिल्म में एक लाइन होती है जो चिपक ही जाती है। सो आई वांट टू नो, इस फिल्म में भी आपको कोई ऐसा तकिया कलाम है या कोई ऐसी लाइन है जिसको हम आगे जाके कोट करेंगे कि ये वाली लाइन सतीश जी ने थार में बोली थी?
मैं कोशिश करता हूँ हमेशा, अपने डायरेक्टरों को बड़ा परेशान करता हूँ मैं, यार कोई एक ऐसी लाइन हो जो ऑडियंस को हमेशा याद रहे।
हाँ।
मैंने इसमें एक बड़ी अच्छी लाइन बोली है, और वो मेरी ट्रिब्यूट है उन वेस्टर्न्स को भी असल में।
वो परमिशन है राज की?
वेस्टर्न हमने बहुत देखी ना, हमने बचपन से लेकर के, वो हमको अंग्रेजी हीरो जो है ना वो बड़ा अच्छा लगता था। तो वो मुझे हर्ष को मैं पहली बार देखता हूँ ना, और ये बोलता है पता कर इसके बारे में कौन लड़का है ये, तो मैं समझे ना, तो ये जब चला जाता है ना तो मैं को बोलता हूँ हुकुम कोई अंग्रेजी पिक्चर का हीरो लग गया है है ना, ये कोने में बैठा बैठा सिगरेट पीता रहता है, समझे ना, देखता नहीं है किसी की तरफ, तो वो अंग्रेजी पिक्चर का हीरो लग गया है ना, वो मेरे इट केम टू गिव ट्रिब्यूट टू द वेस्टर्न एंड द वे हर्ष लुक्ड एंड ही वॉक्ड, you know, for me he was straight out of those, you know, westerns which we have seen,
which we've seen and
it
emulated.
is like that, you know.
Wow, that's amazing. जीतू, आपसे हम पूछना चाहेंगे, you know, आपने तरह तरह के जो रोल्स किए हैं, you know, अपनी कन्विक्शन के साथ किए हैं। टेल अस, आप जब कोई एक कैरेक्टर पकड़ते हैं तो अभी आपने बताया ऑफ कोर्स कि राज और आपने मिल के यू नो उसकी टोनालिटी बनाई कैरेक्टर की, व्हाट इज योर सॉर्ट ऑफ मेथड टू क्रैक द कैरेक्टर दैट यू आर प्लेइंग? मतलब जो
मुझे एक सच्चाई बयां करूंगा, मतलब कि जब पहली बार आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हो ना तो आपको कुछ नज़र आ जाता है, कोई एक आदमी उस जैसा। तो ये जो बंदा है ना, इसको देख के कई ऐसे लोग मेरी ज़िंदगी में पुरुष हैं जिनको मैं आई हेट देम कि वो पुरुषों की वो क्वालिटी जो है ना जो मुझे बिल्कुल भाती नहीं है, तो वो उसमें वो क्वालिटी थी। लेकिन राज भाई ने मुझे वो बताया था कि इसको ना ये नॉर्मल है, ये सोचता ही ऐसा है, तो इसको कहीं पोर्ट्रे नहीं करना है। और मुझे और एक बात बहुत बड़ी बात मुझे बमन सर ने बताई थी जब हम लोग एक फिल्म कर रहे थे कि जीतू हमेशा याद रखना कि ये फिल्म में ये सीन क्या कर रहा है और उस सीन में तू क्या कर रहा है। ये जैसे कि हर्ष ने बताया कि ये फिल्म है, ये किसी एक आदमी का ये नहीं है, ये ब्यौरा इनका है राज सिंह चौधरी जी का कि ये कहाँ से देख रहे हैं और वो बता रहे हैं ना कि यहाँ से देखो इस कैरेक्टर को। तो वही मैंने करने की कोशिश की है। बाकी बकबक तो बहुत कर पाऊंगा कि ये सोचा था वो सोचा था, लेकिन सच में बोलूं
तो आपने डायरेक्टर की लेंस से देखा इस कैरेक्टर
हाँ
को,
जी, हाँ
उसको
जी,
निभाया। अमेजिंग. As you can notice, I'm completely skipping Harsh and Anil sir for questioning because I'm reserving those questions for all of you. But I have a question also to ask Fatima before we move on to questions that you will get from the audience. Fatima, इसमें आप एक राजस्थानी ब्राइड प्ले कर रही हैं, डेम्योर कैरेक्टर.
हाँ, आदत नहीं है।
आदत नहीं है ना? Tell me there is a twist.
उसके लिए आपको फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी। मैं सब कुछ बता दूंगी तो फिर राज मेरा खून कर देगा।
No.
अंत में मेरी बॉडी दिखेगी।
To be very honest, what I'm trying to say is कि आपने अभी तक जो भी कैरेक्टर किए हैं, चाहे वो दंगल हो या फिर ठग्स में आई where you played a warrior or you played a wrestler. How did you get the nuances of this demure Rajasthani bride right?
Honestly, मैं इतना सोचती नहीं हूँ। I'm very instinctive and Raj knew what he wanted. So
Okay.
जुगलबंदी होती है, उनको पता है कि क्या चाहिए क्योंकि he is very clear. He's lived with the script since God knows how long.
But you're playing the bride, so.
हाँ, but when the scene is written well, then आपका एक instinct होता है and कोई process नहीं है मेरा. I'm also learning,
And what's Harsh like as a co-star?
He's very good. He's very calm, as you can see that he's very shant also, but extremely dedicated, very hardworking. He knows what he's doing, and that's a great thing. And a lovely co-actor. आपको क्या चाहिए सेट पे कि कोई आसानी के साथ जिसके साथ आप एक्ट कर सको, जो आपको परेशान ना करे
और जिनकी विजन सबकी विजन सिंक में हो,
सबकी विजन सिंक
in the show.
सब पैशनेट हो about the film that you're doing. तो बस
Amazing. This is really whetting my appetite. I have a lot more questions, as you can see, but I'm going to leave a lot of questions for the cast, for our friends in the media. So I'm going to be handing the floor over to you. Please raise your hand. We'll have mics sent out to you. बताइए किसको सवाल पूछ रहे हैं? There's a lady there right at the back.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ आपकी रेडियो की हीरोइनी रोहिणी 91.9 FM रेडियो नशा से। मेरे शो का नाम दिया था अनिल कपूर ने, and that is why my show is called Jhakas Morning. Sir, you're looking fantastic. A big hand for Anil ji, please. Thank you. Satish,
Say something new, yaar.
say something. Okay, can I say you are definitely the youngest looking Nana there ever will be? Sir, वो तो नहीं है ना?
All in good time.
है ना?
Guys, all in good time.
तो यस सतीश जी और अनिल जी, आप दोनों से ये सवाल है मेरा, और वो है ये कि ये जो जुगलबंदी है आप दोनों की, सालों से हम देखते आए हैं. यू गाइज आर लिटरली आर टू फेवरेट पीपल टू वॉच ऑन द स्क्रीन सिंस द 90s. अनिल सर, आपसे यही सवाल है कि 80s. So from the 80s till now.
Get your decades right.
Yes, trying. On a retro radio station, we better do that, right? Anil sir, आपसे ये सवाल है कि what is that X factor between the two of you that keeps making you all come back together बार-बार आज 2022 में भी?
I think एक ही चीज़ कहूँगा कि we both love films, we love being on the set, we love telling stories, and we love, both of us love being part of a director's vision, and we go with the vision, and we love acting. We just are passionate about acting, and we both love laughing. We love laughing, and we just and making fun of ourselves. So सतीश खुद का मजाक उड़ाता हूँ, मैं अपना मजाक उड़ाता हूँ, और जब सतीश नहीं होता तो मैं सतीश की बुराई करता हूँ, जब मैं नहीं रहता हूँ तो सतीश मेरी बुराई करता है.
Laughter makes the world go round. Okay. Can we have someone else in the audience right here? Can we have a mic here, please?
हाय हर्ष, हाय अनिल सर. हर्ष, जैसा सर ने बताया कि आपने उनको ये स्क्रिप्ट दी थी, आप चाहते थे कि वो ये कैरेक्टर करें, तो क्यों आपको ये लगा कि इस कैरेक्टर के लिए सर ही परफेक्ट हैं और आपको लगता है कि जब जो फादर सन डुओ एक जब आप लोग साथ में आते हैं तो एक और इंटरेस्ट बढ़ जाता है, एक वेल पैकेज कह लीजिए या ज़्यादा वो बन जाता है?
Yeah, I think it's be easier to answer that question once you guys have seen the film. But no, I mean, I just think we needed somebody. Raj wanted. Raj and I discussed the possibility of this happening with Dad, and it just fit. And I think once for me the idea was to just kind of try and make sure Raj gets the correct actors for all the roles, not just Dad's role, but even Fatima and Mukti and Jeetu ji and everyone. So Raj was quite sure about the fact that he wanted Dad, and then it just kind of happened from there.
And also performing with him,
Yeah.
कुछ like he's your father and he's
Right.
superstar. तो जब एज एन एक्टर आप परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हो, तो कुछ नर्वसनेस रहती है कि किस तरीके से आप लोग दोनों लोगों के लिए?
I think that ice was broken with Vikram's film, and we shot I think AK versus AK for 2 or 3 days. I have a smaller role in that film, and that was quite a extroverted character that I was playing in that film, which is very different from who I am in my real life. So I think the ice was kind of broken there, and so by the time we got to Thar, so much time had been spent. We had done a film together that this film had kind of come out, and I try and kind of focus on my job and not get overwhelmed by the situation or who else is in the film. So I don't really see it as family member or just kind of because otherwise
Let me add to
Yeah,
that
sorry,
question,
sorry, go ahead.
Harsh. Does the fact that you're acting with your father make you a little more edgy and nervous, or a little more comfortable? What is the
neither.
vibe? Neither?
I think I just approach the scene the same way I would if it was anybody else.
Amazing.
Right.
आपका माइक कहाँ गया? ले गए? ओहो, किसके पास पहुंचा?
Mike Ponchao, immediately.
Okay, can we see some? Yeah.
20-25 mic और लाओ.
And let's see who else wants to put a question out. Right there, you already have a mic.
Yeah.
So let us. We'll take your question.
My question? Yeah. Cool. Raj, I wanted to ask you, Indian cinema has always had a curious relationship with the Western, and we've had our own tradition of Daku films. Recently, we've seen a resurge of the genre. I'm talking about films like Son Chiriya, films like Lal Kaptan, which what you call revisionist westerns, which put in a lot of social issues into the movies as well. Is this a similar exercise, to explore characters, how local politics, things like that, or is it more stylistic?
No, it's more stylish because the films that you mentioned, they have a sort of a Western sort of a vibe to it, but they haven't gone very deep into that genre. Only, in my opinion, there's been 2 films that have dived deeply into it. One was Joshile. Incidentally, Sir was a part of that. Mr. Shekhar Kapoor was directing it earlier, and I think Sholay. But my inspiration comes from what I saw as a child after watching Clint Eastwood and all those films, and when I used to go to Rajasthan. So I belong to a part of Rajasthan that you see in the film. And it was born out of that.
On that note, Anil sir, what are your favorite westerns that you remember watching and loving?
So, ये मैं क्या करता हूँ जब मैं कोई भी फिल्म करता हूँ तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट दैट दुनिया में जितनी भी उस जॉनर पे फिल्म बनी हो उस किरदार के लिए उस फिल्म के लिए सो आई सी ऑल ऑफ देम सो थैंक्स टू दिस द स्टोरी द स्क्रिप्ट आई थिंक आई हैव सीन आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट वेस्टर्न्स एवर मेड इन द वर्ल्ड एंड जैसे कि राज ने कहा कि कहीं ना कहीं देयर वर अदर फिल्म्स बट वेरी फ्यू फिल्म्स हैव बीन मेड इन इंडिया यू कैन काउंट ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स but yes, of course, there's all the Sergio Leone films. I'm a huge admirer of Sergio Leone. The way he would visualize, use the music, performances, stylish but fun. A lot of fun. So all the Sergio Leone films, and of course there is lately I've seen one of my favorite films is No Country for Old Men, directed by the Coen brothers. I just love the film. I love all the performance performances, and of course, Once Upon a Time in the West, which commercially at that moment didn't do that well, but directed by Sergio Leone, the music was great, and I loved the film. So जितनी भी फिल्में वेस्टर्न बनी हैं मैंने सब देखी, क्योंकि ये पेंडेमिक के एक साल थोड़ी सी हमने बाद में शुरू की, बट इतना वक्त था मेरे पास, तो मैंने सारी फिल्में देखी और बहुत बहुत मज़ा आया. बट कीपिंग दैट, दिस इज़, you can't say that this is a pure Western. It's got love, it's got passion, it's got violence, it's got suspense, it's a thriller. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, बिकॉज आज की फिल्म है ये, एंड डायरेक्टर और राइटर ने कोशिश की है कि today's younger generation can relate to it, because वो जो पुरानी फिल्में थी वेस्टर्न, वो उसमें people would not somewhere feel कि नहीं यार वो बात नहीं है, but this has got today's feel to it, and I think youngsters will relate to the film, all the young viewers and consumers. और आज हिंदुस्तान की जो मेजॉरिटी ऑडियंस जो फिल्में कंज्यूम करती है, चाहे वो नेटफ्लिक्स पे हो, चाहे वो थिएटर पे हो, वो are these youngsters, and this film caters to those youngsters, I feel. Yeah.
Amazing. I think we have someone right there with a...
Hi, Harsh. This for you. AK versus AK, Ray and Thar. Are you the new blue-eyed boy for Netflix?
I think I hope that they still want to work with me after this one, because I've really pushed for what I wanted, but I the thing is, the idea is we're in a very interesting time in the world where you can make something and stream it anywhere on the planet. So I think the ability to do that through this platform is, you can't put a price on it, because you can't predict who your story is going to touch and what part of the world. They have an incredibly broad spectrum of people that subscribe to Netflix, and it also takes away, in a way, is the whole monetary aspect of the first day collection and the satellite and all that. So you don't really have to. I mean, I never think about that anyway, but it just puts you at rest, where it just becomes about the film. And they're great producers. They're the best in terms of, they're very understanding. They're sensitive and empathetic towards the artist. Which is why you get to see AK versus AK, you get to see Ray, you get to see this, film like Bhavesh Joshi that doesn't do well in cinemas thrives on Netflix. It'll always be there, and it has become what it has now today because of them. So I think no matter what happens, and wherever I go, I'll always be indebted to them. Yeah.
हर्ष, आपने हमें बहुत इम्प्रेस किया है आज ट्रेलर में, एंड मिर्ज़ा के टाइम में एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपने कहा था कि मैं एवरी 2 years एक फिल्म किया करूँगा. अब ऑलरेडी आप लेट हैं, आपको स्पीड बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. कुछ कहें.
No, I want to work a lot more, and I just think, as if the opportunity is there, I love to work. We all kind of want to be on set. The more you act, the better you get, and it's all about practice. But the idea is to not compromise on one's creative integrity just to go to work. I think sometimes less is more. I hope everybody likes this film.
अनिल साहब, आजकल ये साउथ की फिल्में काफ़ी अपना सिक्का मना रही हैं. उनकी मेकिंग भी कुछ डिफरेंट लग रही है बॉलीवुड से. आपको क्या लगता है, कुछ कंपटीशन होने वाला है आगे चल के?
ये गलत आदमी से सवाल पूछ रहे हैं आप. क्योंकि साउथ ने हमेशा अच्छी फिल्में बनाई हैं, हमेशा.
Correct.
मैं तो जब से मैंने होश संभाला है, हमेशा साउथ की फिल्में ने लोगों ने पसंद किया है. चाहे वो राम और श्याम हो, चाहे वो एक दूजे के लिए हो. पता नहीं आप लोगों को ये फिल्में पता है ना. तो बहुत बेहतरीन फिल्में बनाई हैं और वो बनाते रहेंगे. और देव ऑलवेज बीन काइंड ऑफ एन इंस्पिरेशन. मैंने अपना करियर साउथ से शुरू किया. मेरी पहली फिल्म जो थी वो एज अ लीडिंग मैन तेलुगु फिल्म थी, जहाँ से मुझे प्रोफेशनलिज्म, डेडिकेशन, डिसिप्लिन मुझे सीखने को मिला. मुझे बापू साहब के साथ काम करने को मिला. उसके बाद मैंने फिर एक कन्नड़ा फिल्म की, वो भी साउथ की थी, मणिरत्नम की पहली फिल्म थी. एंड उसके बाद मैंने बहुत सारी फिल्में की, एक्शन फिल्में की, रखवाला, इंसाफ की आवाज़, सतीश जी के साथ मैंने 2 फिल्में की, वो भी साउथ की एडेप्टेशन थी। हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं, हमारा दिल आपके पास है, दोनों सुपर हिट थी। तो साउथ ने हमेशा अच्छी कहानियाँ, अच्छी फिल्म, टेक्निकली हमेशा ये दौर था, है और चलता रहेगा। फिल्में अच्छी आएंगी और वो अच्छा काम करते हैं। एंड आई ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड टू ग्रेट डायरेक्टर्स with a great vision, and I've always admired them, and I think मुझे I don't get surprised. ये तो होना ही है और होता रहेगा जिंदगी भर.
Right. We have someone right here who's been waiting for a question.
Hello everyone, I'm Akshay Acharya from INS. Raj, my question is for you that in terms of music, apart from the Western spaghetti, there are also strong influences of the Rajasthani folk. So what was the idea behind the music designing of the film?
So when we decided, Ajay Jayanti composed the music. When we decided on the music, it was that we will have a smattering of Rajasthani folk, but a larger picture would be that we would have music that is a little more in tune with the tone of the film. And we've seen a lot of Rajasthani music coming into films, Gujarati, Punjabi. So we wanted to move away a little and be a little true to the genre, but with a smattering of Rajasthani folk in it. We've used instruments that are generally not used. So,
Okay, can we have questions?
Hi, Anil. Sana here from Indian Express. Towards your right. Yeah. Harsh, of course, spoke about how he doesn't look at working with his father a very special or a different experience. But Anil, how has been your experience? Was that paternal responsibility comes in when you're shooting with him? And added to that, you worked with both Sonam and Harshvardhan. How different and similar are they as actors?
You're trying to create sibling rivalry over here?
I'm sure it's there already.
Yeah, no, it's not there. So, obviously, as Harsh said, that, AK was the film which, somewhere broke the ice. And that the tentativeness, the anxiousness was there for me on the first day when I was shooting for AK versus AK. Matter of fact, I was more nervous than he was. And but because it was a long monologue, मैंने अपने करियर में इतना लंबा मोनोलॉग नहीं किया है. मैंने वो हमेशा डायरेक्टर बोलते हैं इसको तोड़ के लो यार, इतना लंबा मेरे से होगा नहीं. So when that long monologue came and when he gave the shot, and Vikram and Anurag both have been very encouraging as well as very, very critical about Harsh. They both. And they do it more out of love so that he becomes better and better. And so they both started was, सबकी अनुराग ने ताली बजाई, विक्रम आके पहली बार इसको जाके हक कर लिया. तो मेरे को हर्ष बोलता है पूरे भावेश जोशी में इसने आज तक इतने प्यार से वैसे बात ही नहीं की और हक किया. So there I saw what he's capable of. लोगों को एक गलत इंप्रेशन है कि बहुत सीरियस है, इंट्रोवर्ट है, समटाइम परसेप्शंस, जैसे मेरे बारे में पहले कुछ परसेप्शन था, फिर चेंज हुआ, हर 10 साल में चेंज होता रहता है. एंड इनके बारे में ऐसा था. तो जब मैंने देखा कि इस तरह इन्होंने वो सीन किया विच वाज सो फनी, एंड आई वाज हैप्पी दैट द एंटायर मीडिया, ऑल द क्रिटिक्स एंड एवरीबडी जस्ट praised his work and they loved what he did. तो कहीं ना कहीं रिलीफ भी था और खुशी भी थी. and I was proud. मैं अगर इसकी जगह होता तो मैं नहीं फिल्म करता. AK वर्सेस AK मुझे ऑफर होती है और बोलता है कि भैया योर फादर इज देयर फिल्म एंड ही इज द हीरो ऑफ द फिल्म और ये छोटा सा रोल करना है. मैं बोलता मेरे को फादर का रोल दो. You understand? So this is the way the younger generation is today. They are fearless. And at least he is, and which I admire, and I'm very proud of him. And so when we were shooting in Thar, एक दो suggestion मैंने दिए, but the suggestions were rejected. Yeah, मैंने बोला तू ऐसा कर, नहीं डैड ये गलत है. And then I said, अच्छा देख करके बता साले. Then किया, then he was right and I was wrong.